Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we found this at a garage sale. It's a cassette player that will convert your audio cassettes to digital on your PC. We'll show you how to use it. Here is my cassette to PC converter. We'll show you how to use this. Right there it says stop, play, record. That is continuous play, fast forward, reverse. Right here opens it. Ta-ding! Put your cassette in there. There's where your batteries go, right there. 2 AA's, like that. Get it in there. There we go. Put your little case cover back on. Yeah, there we go. Now you're ready to play. You can plug your USB cable in right there. There's a volume control right there. There's for headphones. If you got a battery that's chargeable, it goes in there. Now what I'm going to do, I've got a cassette tape here of an old-time radio program called the Lone Ranger. We're going to plug that guy in right there. Plug the USB cable in right there. We'll take it back to the computer, open up Audacity, and we'll do a little recording, see how it works. Now, we're going to play a few seconds of this because we don't want to get a copyright strike on YouTube, so we'll show you how it goes.
A fiery horse with the speed of light, a cloud of dust, and a hearty hi-yo silver, the Lone Ranger.
Now, we did a little editing. We had to cut off some of the opening for copyright stuff and some of the endings, so we only got that part you heard on here, so that's how it works. You see how I handle it. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.